Samuel Muturi mwenye umri wa miaka 29 alizinduliwa kama mshindi wa dhahabu katika mchezo wa kupiga makasia eneo la kati kwenye mashindano ya Tujiamini Cheza Dimba. Na Muturi alivunja rekodi kama Mkenya wa kwanza kuingia nusu finali za mashindano ya dunia miaka ya awali mwaka 2019.
Let's say if we get like proper equipment and all that, of course, as well, that will boost our sport massively, and I'm sure in Kenya we can get people going to Olympics, and this sport is growing for sure.
Even though when you train these people, we need to have a course. We need to have a good where they can train all the time. You know, when there is no water, when there is water, that is one of the potential actually to make sure we have this team and you have schools.
Tujiamini so far, we can see it's making an impact. Today we are in Sagana to support the extreme sports, niche sports that many Kenyans, many sports lovers out there never get to hear about or never get to follow.
And I think that really shows the professionalism and the commitment from an organisation like Sport Pesa to start supporting not just talents like Samuel, but talents at a grassroots level.
Borussia Dortmund na Paris Saint-Germain zimeingia nusu finali ya klabu bingwa barani